When we heard that there was a request for proposal, a few faculty members got together and thought that it would be a great idea to transform a number of courses using the latest technology. And we wrote up a proposal which was accepted by HP. We learned about the grant last spring, and since then, three of us have really transformed a number of courses in computer science using the TabletPCs in the classroom.
Okay, well, I think that the PCs help you organize and access your notes, and they enhance like a more productive study sessions, because when we use Dino, it was you working on your PC and us being able to see what you were doing, which is more efficient than you just using PowerPoint. You know, it's almost like doing homework with you.
Easier that when you were going through the notes to actually just take the notes on the side, like be able to write on the screen on the side and then just save it for later instead of having to print it out and then writing on the paper.
It was nice to have the slides in front of us to be able to mark on the slides different notes from class and then not have to take paper with us to email to ourselves for records. That was convenient.
Okay, basically we got a big new lab just for ourselves for the computer science department, which is the first. We never had a lab of our own. So we got our own lab. We have 20 laptops for our students, PC tablets. So they love it. It's a new hardware, new software. We're using the Dino software.
The lectures are all recorded and the students can play them back. They can annotate their notes and add additional comments if they need. So it's really provided an interactive environment, and students actually have fun while working with the latest technology, so they really enjoy it.
I think the fact that you can like turn the screen around and then write like it's a notebook,
that's
that's pretty cool.
They're more engaging, kind of as to what Angel was saying, like it's more interesting if you just got it right in front of you and you're using a piece of technology that it's kind of new to you, rather than just copying notes off the board.
I mean, I just got a job in Boston, and the work that they do over there, it's a pharmaceutical company, so they do a lot of lab work. They use tablet PCs.
I can see engineering courses, like network design courses, stuff like that, where you, something you may have diagrams that you want to draw something on top of the diagram.
I've actually worked with a couple of sales forces that have implemented tablets, 1,000 to 3,000 user remote sales force, and they like the tablet to run SFA software on. The laptops are typically bulky. They take a lot of time to boot up, where the tablets are much more functional.
I think it's because we're used to traditional ways of like learning, like chalk and paper, chalkboard and paper. So it's like cool to use a computer, new technology being incorporated into learning.
Dino basically makes teaching fun. It's totally different. It's active learning. Students are actually involved in the process of their learning. It's not like I'm telling them do this or do that. They are involved with the process. So it's called active learning. So I think this grant really promotes something called active learning in today's world.